Hey guys, welcome back to part 2. And yeah, we're still in the same obby, and let's continue it. Yeah, we're supposed to step on the red. I died already.
Is this like
Whoops. Yeah, I think it is, maybe.
Yeah, I have blood.
We're stepping on it, that's disgusting. Oh my gosh.
If this is her throat, I would be like,
I think it is her throat, because we're in her throat.
okay, I'm making it.
Nope! I died on the last jump.
Okay, I made it. Oh no, I jumped it back.
No!
What? Did you survive?
No, I died.
Okay,
Yep.
that was quick.
This doesn't work.
Yeah, you died. Okay, the mouse doesn't really work for
Yeah.
That's probably the reason why.
Yeah.
Oh, that was really.
The mouse does not work. Oh my god.
Yep, so you might want to.
Trying to make it work, but it's not working. So yeah. I made it. I made it.
Oh, now I have it.
Okay. Now it's the grandma's main course. Ew. That's disgusting. Okay, are you done? Did you pass it?
Yes, Daddy and Daddy.
Okay. You know it. It's the last jump. Okay, the mouse works now. Let's go. Okay. Main course. I don't even want to step on the food she ate. It's disgusting. She doesn't even chew up her food. Now the pouring tube. Oh.
Wait, she doesn't chew her food. How does she survive?
Yeah, she doesn't swallow a full-size burger. That's weird.
Wait, how come the lemon is bigger than the burger?
Yeah. That's just weird. Have to look like this. No, you didn't. Oh, you did. Oh. When you died, it doesn't actually look like you died. You just like stand there, but like in your own one, you died. Yeah.
How did I die?
I passed it. You touched the red.
I didn't move yet.
Oh. There might be part 3. I don't know. You can do it. Okay, come. No! I'll tell you when to come, okay? Come. Okay.
It's kind of hard since I'm using like a small phone. I couldn't like see the whole thing.
Do that. It's lagging on the phone. Just playing on mobile. Seriously,
Okay,
it's lagging. Oh my god. Wait. Okay, go. Okay, go. Go.
Well, we ain't gonna roleplay anymore. This is some serious stuff.
Go.
We've been here for millions of years.
Yeah, we have to go out of here. It's disgusting. The poop. Sticky situation. Oh, I died.
Oh, I died.
Why is it called sticky situation? That's just weird. Ah, I touched the poo-poo.
Ew.
And then I died because of it, because it smells so bad. Oh, it's disgusting in here. Oh my god, I can't see where I'm going. My mouse doesn't work properly. Oh my god. So fun being in here, actually. But it's disgusting. Have to touch her poop. Imagine if you actually got eaten by a giant and you have to touch the poo-poo. How disgusting would that be for you guys? That would be very disgusting for me. Cause like, it's poo-poo. Why does it poo-poo? Did you go? Oh, I thought you passed it. Why? Come on, we can do this, right? We can do this.
This is like the hardest level.
Yeah.
Oh, how did I die?
Whoosh, jump. Jump. Jump! Yay, I did it, I did it, I did it. Now I'm gonna get pooped out.
How did you do this?
The end! Okay, this is the last level. Did Grandma get arrested? Make sure to subscribe. Okay. Yay, Grandma got arrested.
I'm still dying.
Why is Grandma smaller than before? Just weird. I'm gonna tell him to stop. I'm telling him to stop it.
Stop what?
No, I'm telling him to stop. To my channel.
Oh, Grandma, you party time. Everyone party, let's party.
What is his one? Oh, this game was okay. Mizum's World? What? Okay. His username? I will friend. Okay. He's gonna friend me? Okay. Okay, okay. Girl, boy. So, yeah. Gonna friend me. Yeah. I'm gonna accept it.
Oh, I don't know.
Wait. Sub to her also. Wait, come here. Super Smurf is her. And mine is Jeda Gaming. Oh yeah, and by the way, you're in this video. Shout out to him. Me some.
I'm just gonna write BTW in the video.
I gave you a shout out, boy. Telling him I'm wreck. He was like, why not? Did he friend you? Oh, he friended me. Mine is Nisim's World. Okay, I'm gonna subscribe. Subscribe to him, guys. Subscribe to him.
Yeah, so what should we do next?
Subscribe to him.
Okay.
Oh, okay, but I know it. Yeah, see ya, bye. Okay, bye.
What's that?
Okay, I'm gonna subscribe to him. Nisim's World.
So I think that's probably.
Is this really his? Is this really him?
Let me see.
Give him a shout out. He's an old man. I think I don't know. I can't find his YouTube. But yeah,
Oh, I went in the tunnel. Go in the tunnel.
Which tunnel?
What?
What?
The tunnel brings. Go in the tunnel. Just go in the tunnel. The tunnel in the green
Oh,
No,
where?
not in the there. No, here. In there, right? In the house.
Oh, in the house. And then?
Go look at the tunnel. The tunnel's behind.
Oh, here.
There. The green tunnel. The green tunnel.
Mm-hmm.
There.
Brings you to another map.
No, this is Grandpa.
Oh, there's Escape Grandpa. Escape Grandpa. Okay, we're gonna play this in the next video, guys.
So yeah. So maybe we should try a little bit first.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, Grandpa's one is much cooler.
Oh, I played this before.
Yeah. Grandpa's one is so much cooler, guys. There's like teddies. Oh, it's so cute.
No, it's gonna be lava. This is the
Oh,
best.
I died.
Okay, I think Grandpa is even more crazier than Grandma.
Yeah. It's the same creator. Ooh, I like Grandpa. So good.
You have a crush on him or something?
No, I meant like I like his obby, mister.
Wait, I'm a boy?
Oh, this is. And by the way, right now it's like 1:52 a.m. and we're still recording.
Yeah, it's like seriously, like you can't even sleep.
Yeah, we don't want to.
I mean, it's holiday, everyone.
Yeah,
Who worries?
I died. Oh, I came the wrong way. That's okay. Oh my god. Okay, let's jump here and then jump on the sofa and then jump on these little box and then jump on that and then jump there. Ooh, we're gonna play this in the next video. We're gonna continue from this, which will be Escape the Grandpa. Yeah. Ooh, I'm gonna wait for her actually. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for her.
Okay, I'm here. Whoa.
This is amazing. It's better than Grandma. I'm so sorry if the creator watches my video, which probably not. I'm not famous.
I only have like 13 subscribers.
I only have 8 or 9. I don't remember.
Yeah, so we might have to leave soon. What?
Let's pass this one first.
Okay, let's try to.
I did it. And we'll continue this one in the next part. But yeah, let's wait for her first.
Okay, we did.
Okay.
So, we'll see.
Wait, actually, let's do this one first.
Okay, I think will we be able to finish it like probably 1 minute? If we do, that would be like
Pretty cool.
yeah.
I don't think we can finish it. Oh, Misam joined again. Hi. Hi. Let's go into the next one. Okay, guys, I think that's it. But I'm gonna still continue while I'm doing the outro. So yeah, guys, I think that is it for this video. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the Escape the Grandpas and my other videos. And yeah, guys. Bye, guys. Love you guys so much. And don't forget to subscribe. And let's go play this for a little bit more. Where do we go now? Yeah, maybe. Wait. And try to click objects and open secret doors. I think it's this. No. Okay. I don't know.
Okay,
Maybe him. Click him. No.
no, fine.
Click the curtains or what?
Oh,
Grandma.